All right, everyone. Now let's talk about root groups. This is mainly used for organization. Sometimes your app folder can get messy with too many roots. So instead of placing everything at the root level, we can group related roots together. Now, here's the important part. Root groups do not affect the URL. They are only used for structuring the project. To create one, we use parentheses. For example, I create a folder called Scooter. Now, inside this group, I create two rows, one for brands and one for models. Each one has its own page, .js file. Now let's test it. If I go to /scooter, it doesn't work. I get a 404 because this is not a real root. But if I go to /brands, it works. If I go to /models, that also works. So the group folder is not part of the URL. It's just a way to organize our files. Now here's another advantage. We can also define a layout inside the root group. So I create a layout.js inside the group and pass children into it. Now, this layout will apply to all roots inside the group. So when I go to brands or models, the same layout is used. So the idea is simple. Route groups help us keep the project clean without affecting the URL structure. And we can still share layouts between grouped roots.